I used to hate Paris, but my last trip has changed my mind. So come spend the weekend with me in Paris eating a lot of food. We started our trip at the hotel bar because whenever we go away, the first thing I do is have an espresso martini. This was an exceptionally good one, and then we headed straight to Bistro Poulbert, which is a very good bistro in France, which I'd heard so many things about, and it did not disappoint. I had a couple glasses of wine with dinner and then was absolutely exhausted, so we went back to the hotel, straight to bed. Day 2, had a bit of a lie-in and then went down to breakfast at like 11 o'clock. Before heading out, one of the first stops we did was a macaroon stop, obviously. More on this later. And then before we knew it, it was lunchtime, so we went and got a sandwich. At how packed this is, I was so taken aback, and washed it down with a hot chocolate, which is not what I would usually do. Felt a bit sick after this, but definitely worth it. Did some more walking around and then ended up going to another bakery. I mean, when in Paris, what else is there to do? And then we headed back to the hotel to go to the spa, which was such a nice way to just unwind before we headed back out to get some more food. Honestly, I thought this was a little bit disappointing. It wasn't that full of like filling, but it was still nice, but I just think slightly overrated. Headed back to the hotel to try some of those macaroons that I bought earlier in the day, and oh my gosh, these were so good. It had like an oozy filling. Honestly, I still think